Good morning, 7th standard. Good morning, 7th. Let us continue our maths class. Exercise 3.1. We are in page number 47. If you have a textbook, yes. If you have a textbook, open and go through that. Page number, you got your books. Very good, Naveen Aditya. Page number 47. Exercise 3.1. Where we are in the fill in the blanks. I think we completed up to A, B and C. And we ended up the class there since our time was over, I think. Now today D, E, F. A to F, 5, 6 are there. 3 we have completed on that day. Now starting from this. 6.8 multiplied by dash is equal to 6,800. A comma they have given simply. It's a comma. Here point decimal. 20 multiplied by what is equal to 0.02. 0.37 multiplied by what? We'll get the answer as 370. So this is the way how it has to be done. Now, yes. Yes, filling you have to write in textbook only, Naveen Aditya. Use pencil. Use pencil and write in the textbook. Those who don't have textbook, write in the notebook. Yes, you have to write. No need to ask only in maths class. You have to write only. Later on, before the exam, I will send the full material. Fill in the blanks 3.45. A, B, C, we completed already on that day. That's what we started at D sum. Now, 6.8 multiplied by what is 6,800. We know that the point went off. 6800, a full round number, integer, where we don't have any points at all. Here the point is there, which means the point went on jumping. After 8, 2 zeros are also there. So the point went on jumping to the right side. And the point went to the last and went off. When a number is like this, there is no value for the point. So when we do multiplication, the point moves to the right side. Now, when I multiply this number, 1, 2, 3, this point which is situated before 8, it keeps on jumping 3 jumps. So 1, another number 2, another number 3, and the point went here and gone. So which means it has taken 3 jumps. Multiplying by 1000 will make the point move towards 3 places. Multiplying by 100, 2 places, 1000, 3 places. Now here alone we can say that here just this point. But here they have given 6,800. They gave. I am not telling. So which means 2 more zeros are there and the point went after that. So 1000. That is the reason we write here 1000. Next. 20 multiplied by dash is equal to 0.02. Now we need to divide. Whenever we get like this, it is dividing. That too, see here. What is this? 20. Okay. We need to, if we divide by 10, the point will move towards this side once, one place. So 2.0 we will get if we do by 10. Deva Guru, I don't know about any timing of cycle test. Tomorrow only you have cycle test. Principal ma'am will inform you during the class, in your classroom, through messages. She will inform. I don't have any idea. Now only concentrate, stop asking any type of question. What is that? What is this? Before our max cycle test, on the same day, which day we will have, that day, revision of the particular portions I will be giving. Up to that, I will be teaching on this chapter. When cycle test is there, on that day, ask me. That day, in our max class, full portion will give cycle test portion. You can ask any doubts from the cycle test portion. Now, 20, when I divide by 10, what will happen? The point from the last will move to one place and I get 2.0 when I do by 10. When I do by 100, what will happen? Which we should write? What which we should write? Cycle test, paper ma. A4 sheet. Paper write, take photos and upload. Like last year only. Last year you studied 6th standard, then only you have come to 7th now. As if you are talking from 1st standard, you have directly come here. Timing, I don't know, Bhavatarini. So, when we do by 100, the point 1, 2 point, the point will move toward 2 places. For the 100. For the 1000, 3 places. Now, we have seen that the point from the last, it has moved. From the last, it is coming. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. So only a 0 is here. 0.020. How it is? Like, see here. 20 by 1000. 1, 2. A number is not there and a point. Which means 20 by 1000. 1, 2. Another number not there. 0. And before that a point. So it is read like 0.020. This is what they gave. 0.020, what they gave. I understood. They have given. This 20 they have given. They are asking this multiply by what? This is dividing by 1000. So multiplying means what to write? 0.001. Multiplication we should mention like this. Because we divide and get the answer. So 0.001. Understand the question. Here division symbol means I will write 1000. Here multiplication is there. So 1 by 1000 is this. So that we have to write. This is dividing. That is 1 by some number by 1000. Which is this. Understand the fill-in properly. Next. Point is here, the decimal number 0.37. The answer is 370. They gave. My work is to find out what is here. Now decimal number became a whole number. It means the point jumps towards the right side. Whenever a point jumps towards the right side, 1, 2, one more number is there, 3. They are telling that the point when 3 jumps and sitting in the last place, which means it has gone. How many jumps taken and gone? 3 jumps it has taken and gone. So when I do by 1000, this decimal point move towards 3 places. 1, 2. Another number not there. That is 0. So 1, 2, 3, then point. 3 places jump. So 1000 like this. It is. Same model. Whereas here I divide. That 1 by 1000 I am writing like this. That is the main difference. So 5 A to F we completed. Passing on to question 6. Fill in blanks all we did. 6 also we will do. 6AB we will do. Very, very important thing for the cycle test. Remember, write neatly in a A4 sheet. Take properly the photograph. Convert into PDF and only send me. You cannot send the photos directly. Like a integer activity, how you did integer activity, simply taking photographs and sending, that is okay. That is activity. I could see, I can judge, okay, you did this, I gave you marks. Understood? Cycle test cannot be done like that. Page number 1, page 2, page 3 will be there. If I want to do correction, the teachers want to do, whomever it may be, science teacher or social teacher, whomever it is. If they want to do, no rough paper, Darshini. In the same page, right side margin draw, that is rough column. No rough papers allowed. Same page only you should use for rough also. So page number 1, page 2, page 3, when you do, convert into PDF, one and only PDF. You have to convert. You have to upload. Then I will get a link. That link, if I touch, it will open only PDF pages. Understood what I'm telling? Then only I will have a pen symbol. I can use the pen symbol, red pen, and I will do correction. Okay? Okay, Sai Raghav. Homework is purely for practice purpose. The more you do, the more nice marks you get. You cannot learn, so you are doing. Other subjects you will say that I have learned question 1, question 2. In maths, you cannot say, you have to do only. So there is nothing new in that. If you are doing, very good. So PDF is, conversion is very, very important. Simply, if you take photographs, you send me the photograph. I won't get any link. I won't get that blue link should come. If you send photos, I won't get that blue link at all. You will be thinking, okay, I have sent, I have completed, over. No. We cannot open only. Where I will give marks? 0 only I will enter and I will move. That's all. So PDF very, very important. So that we can do correction and give you marks. Last year, many times I told this. Again I am telling. Convert into PDF option is there. Convert it. File name give max cycle test 1. Then write your name properly in the paper. Cycle test 1, max paper only send me. Don't send me science cycle test, social cycle test and all. I don't want to see other subjects paper. Okay? And 1,000 times don't keep on sending. One time only you can send one paper. One exam once. If we keep the cycle test in the school, we won't be keeping again and again for you. Example, one Sindhya Shri cannot write 4 times. One Prahalad cannot write 10 times. But you won't understand that 10 times Prahalad, a boy, he has sent me this activity. God only knows why. One time you do properly, one time you upload. That is enough. We are tired of opening. Timintaran, same thing. Sai Raghav. Again, Alan means again Alan. Prahalad, again Prahalad. From 10 o'clock, Prahalad started. 10 o'clock, 5 minutes, 10:10, 10:30, 10:40, 10:50. Why so? Same paper only, no? 1,000 times I will give marks what? Once if I open, that's enough. Okay, properly, slowly do once. Nearly 70 papers will come for me. Actually, class 10th itself won't be like that. Why are you repeating? Sindhya Shri, I got the activity 1,000 times, I already told. I got your activity, told already. Then also you have sent again. Okay. Yes, convert into PDF, then only send. Once. Not more than one. Properly one time. That is enough. One time link will come. We will do the correction slowly and I will enter the marks. Second time, third time, fourth time, no need. I don't have place in my mobile. 6. Now A. 6th one actually. I erased. Look at the question in the textbook. Naina did the following. 1.2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1.200. B question, 2.5 multiplied by 1000 is 2500. Oh, were her methods valid? Explain your answer. Whether it is correct or not, they are asking. Let us see whether Naina is correct or not. Whenever you do the multiplication by 100, okay, whenever we do multiplication, the point must jump towards the right side. When you multiply by 10, 1 point moving, 100, 2 points moving, 1000, 3 points should move. Now, here they are telling when you multiply by 100, the girl did like this, the point must move 2 places. And I must get 1 to 0 point, right? This must be my answer. When Naina is doing by 100, 1 jump, 2 jump. Second number not there, so 0 point. This should be the answer. She is telling that this is the answer. Whether her method is correct? No, it is wrong. Her method is wrong because the decimal point should move to 2 places to the right side. Like that we need to write. You cannot write this sums in the Ashri. Where in textbook you will write? No, only write. No. Okay? Write that alone. I will be sending in my material this one. No, it is not possible because the point should move towards 2 points to the right side. Second thing, 2.5 multiplied by 1000. Now, we know that whenever we multiply 1000, 3 place. So, 2 I am writing, 5 I am writing. 1 jump, 1 number is here. 3 jump I want, another number. The point went here. So, the answer should be this. Okay, well, let us see the answer. Yes, they have given this in the textbook. 1 jump is here and 3 jumps I want. So 2 zeros added. The point went here to here. Decimal should understand like this only. 3 places. So this is correct. Yes. Yes, it is correct. That's all. So first thing is wrong. This answer is wrong because the decimal point have to move by 2 places. It has not moved at all. Here, these both are same actually. Here it is correct. Okay, question number 6 over. Then passing on to tak I have to move on. No other way because we have lots and lots of sums. What's the time? 10:40. Question number 7 is a homework sum. Max at work only, but we will do max at work. Where and all needed, I will decide. There and all will do. Where not needed, there we will say no. That Rahul Binay, I will decide. You cannot decide. Where and all questions are there like problem solving type, we will take. Some other related, other than the problems related to our chapter, some other thing is there in brain work, I will say no need. So I will decide where it is there, where it is not there. Just you follow that. Max at work, find the area of the rectangle given below. Question number 7. Length is given, breadth is given. Area is asked. Area of the rectangle, L into B. That's all. Homework sum it is. When it will come in your schedule, that day you do. Just remember and write in your textbook this formula and keep it. This is L, length of the rectangle, breadth of the rectangle, area is equal to length into breadth, this number into this number. Decimal multiplication, 14.8, 6.75. That's all. to write in the square meter or square centimeter. So that is homework. Other all multiplication we are going to see now. Question number 8. Calculate the following. A, B, C, D, E, F. My God. 6 questions are there. Tuck, tuck, let me see. 0.0, all easy. Simple multiplication using decimal. Point very important. Chapter itself is decimals, no? So point very, very important. As I already told, nicely concentrate. Number alone to take. What is the number? 7. 0, 0, 0 later. What is the number here? 8. First, numbers alone. 8 sevens are 56. Okay. Now, after multiplication is equal to what to write? 56 first write. Okay, this is not the answer. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers. 1 number. So 4 numbers before that point. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 numbers from the last. We have to come. 1, 2. 2 numbers are here. 2 numbers not there. So 2 zeros. Then keep a point. Then add 1 0 to read. So this way it is. So 0.0056. This arrow no need. This is for explanation purpose I am drawing. 0.0056. This is the answer we get after multiplying. Numbers alone to take to multiply. Then 3 numbers plus 1, 4. From the last, move 4 digits towards the left side. Keep a point. Understood clearly. Now see. D sum. A over D. A is just a single step only. D sum. BC, where went BC? Don't ask, they both are homework sum. 67.9. Question, let me write. My God, 3 numbers. So only I have selected this. 2 numbers, 1, B and C, I kept for homework. 3 numbers, 1, I am doing. 0.025. Okay. First, let us do this first 2. Then we'll do with the third number. No problem. First 2, 1, 2, 3. First 2 numbers, let me write and do here. 6, 7, 9. Whenever I write without points because I need to do multiplication. 0.32, I write only 32. 2 numbers, this 3 numbers. What I am going to do? I am going to do the multiplication. Then we'll do with the number. Then we'll write the answer. 9 2s are 18, 8. Carried over 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15, 5. Carried over 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13. 9 3s are 27, 7. Carried over 2. 7 3s are 21, 22, 23. 2, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 20. 8, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, carried over 1, 7, 1, 2. So, 2, 1, 7, 2, 8. That is now 1, 2, here 1 number. So, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 numbers before that I should keep a point. 1, 2, 3 before that. So, the answer 21.728 only for these 2 numbers. Okay, now third number is there. Now with this number to do. 1 and 2 should do with the third. Then only we will get a last result. For example, 1, 2, 3. 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Like that it is. Together. At last one answer only no. So now I will write this number. without point. Later on, I will keep points. I wrote this number 0.025. I will write only 25. Zero table, if I do also 0, 0, 0 only will get. Okay. So I will do the multiplication. Then we'll keep the points. Number correctly wrote. Okay. 8 5 is 40 0. Carried over 4. 5 2 is 10. 10 plus 4. 14 is 4. Carried over 1. 7 5 is 35. 36. Carried over 3. 5 1 is 5 plus 3. 8. 5 2 is 10. With this number I did. With this number I am going to do. 8 to the 16, carry over 1, 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. 7 to the 14, 4, carried over 1, 2, 1 the 2 plus 1, 3. 2 2 the 4. Now normal addition. 0, 6 plus 10 is 0, carried over 1, 12, 1. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13, 1, 5. So this is the answer. How many points now before? 1, 2, 3. This number is having 3 points. Before that it should be 3. Okay. This number 1, 2, 3. 3 points. 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are already there. So a point here. 0 reading. For reading 0.5432000. We can tell 0.543. Like that we can stop up to 3 decimal places. This is our answer. The ending place only keep point. After getting this, take and write is equal to, and then only should keep a point. So first number, second number, we did the multiplication. Got the answer. I wrote this number here. I wrote this number here. Then we did multiplication. This number 1, 2, 3 points. So 3 numbers. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers before that point. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Before that the point must be kept. Any doubts? Decimal multiplication. You can do the multiplication by yourself if you know tables. Otherwise, copy from the textbook, from the board. First thing to copy from textbook, answer from board. Any doubts? Type in the chat column. One more question we'll see. Maybe E, F, both I will see. We will do. This is D only we completed. E question. But 10:50 now. E question tomorrow only should do. 10:50. So we will start in our next class 8E and 8F. Okay. Same decimal multiplication only. After addition, after subtraction, we'll do multiplication. 3 things are asked in this question. Plus doing, minus doing, then multiplication. So it will take time. I won't take now. Next class. Thank you.